Hi, today we continue learning grammar, present simple and present continuous. We'll discuss the usage. So, the present continuous is used to talk about an action in progress. Esamasis tęstinis laikas vartojamas kalbėti apie besitęsiantį veiksmą. Time expressions like now or at the moment are often used with the present continuous. Now arba at the moment dažniausiai vartojami tokiuose sakiniuose. For example, where is Carl now? He is making his bed. Kur Karlas dabar? Jis kloja lovą. They are doing their homework at the moment. Šiuo metu jie atlieka namų darbus. The present simple is used to talk about routine or repeated action. O paprastas esamasis laikas vartojamas, kalbant apie rutiną ar pasikartojantį veiksmą. Ir present simple laike dažniausiai naudojami prieveiksmiai, dažnumo prieveiksmiai yra always, often, or usually. Taigi turite atsiminti, jeigu sakiny randate now arba at the moment, vartojama present continuous. Jeigu sakiny rasite always, often, usually, sometimes, vartosite present simple, paprastą esamąjį laiką. He has a shower every morning. We usually do the washing up after dinner. Tai yra veiksmai, kuriuos mes atliekame kiekvieną dieną. Tačiau, jeigu paklaustų kas nors, ką tu dabar veiki, ir tai yra rytas ir tu esi duše, sakytum, I'm having a shower now. Note that there are some verbs which are not normally used in the continuous form. Yra veiksmažodžių, kurie paprastai niekada nevartojami tęstinę formą. Nes jie apibūdina būseną. Tai yra stative verbs, statyvai. Ir jie nevartojami kaip besitęsiantis laikas. Tai yra understand, know, think, like, love, hate, and want. I like your new sofa. I'm liking your new sofa is impossible to make such a sentence. Arba, are you wanting a coffee? Irgi neklausim, ar tu nori. Think gali būti unthinking, kai iš tikrųjų turima galvojimo procesą. Tarkim, aš sprendžiu uždavinį ir galvoju, kaip čia kažką padaryti. Ir jeigu klausia, what are you doing? You will say, I am thinking. O jeigu norim pasakyti, kad aš manau, mano nuomonė, tada vartosime tik tai I think. Okay, so now open your books. Oh, sorry, this is for a book. Open your books on page 23. And start completing the tasks from exercise 4. First of all, study the examples, then write present simple or present continuous. Complete the rules. I walk to school every day. If it's every day, that means present simple. He is reading a magazine now. That means action is in progress, so it's present continuous. Rules. We use the present continuous for actions in progress, and we use the present simple for routines or repeated actions. So now complete exercise 5. You have to insert necessary tense. And exercise 6. Write present simple and present continuous questions about routines using the words in the box and your own ideas. So you have to make, let's say, 10 sentences, 10 questions, sorry. You have to use these words. The questions should be 5 questions in present simple and 5 questions in present continuous. And then don't forget to do some workbook exercises from page 19. So good luck and see you next time.